This is regarding the registry data of Corail. There are just 4 slides. I'll just highlighted the things. Okay.
So Mohanty will continue the lecture. Thanks to you for the opportunity. Thanks everyone for coming.
Yeah.
Just quickly slide.
Yeah. So this is the first thing that UK National Joint Registry in 2023. If you see the comparison between a Corail Pinnacle and Corail Gripson Cup. So Corail Pinnacle Cup, if you see the different bearing surfaces, metal and polyethylene, metal and metal, ceramic and polyethylene, and ceramic and ceramic. So comparison, this is the cumulative revision by fixation constant and brand. If you see 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years and 15 years, the Corail Pinnacle metal and polyethylene has done better compared to ceramic and polyethylene. So if you see the metal and metal has done worst, the revision rate is worst in 10 years and 15 years, whereas ceramic and polyethylene and ceramic have done very well. The ceramic and polyethylene have done the best, 2.26 compared to ceramic and ceramic. And if you see the Gripson Cup, similar outcome that metal and polyethylene and ceramic and polyethylene and ceramic, the ceramic and polyethylene bearing surface with Gripson Cup has done best compared to the metal and polyethylene or ceramic and ceramic. Revision due to any reason. So 10 years, 15 years data. Now if you see the next slide, UK National Joint Registry again, which shows a Corail Pinnacle and Corail Gripson Cup, the 10 years revision rate out of 1,90,000 or 20,000 hips, the rate of revision is more in Corail Pinnacle compared to Gripson Cups. The Australian National Registry, if you see the Corail Pinnacle and Corail Pinnacle metal and metal, there is significant failure rate of the metal and metal bearing surface compared to other bearing surfaces. Finally, this is the data of UK National Joint Registry, Corail cemented and Corail uncemented. If you see the risk of revision at 5 years, Corail cemented stem has come recently. There is not a significant difference. It is 1.1% and this is 1.2% only. So, take home message is that metal and metal hips are the worst outcome with the highest revision in all this data. Ceramic and polyethylene. This is whose mobile phone? Yeah, Vijay's mobile. So ceramic and polyethylene hips has got the best outcome amongst all these, all these stems. Corail Gripson Cup has got a better outcome on ceramic and polyethylene, whereas Corail Pinnacle has got a better outcome on metal and polyethylene. And Corail cemented stem is at par with cementless stem in 5 years follow-up of the revision data. Thank you for a patient hearing. So that's it. So registry data always it's boring, and that's why most of the people they don't listen to it. But this is the gist of the data which I analyze and just showing it to you for that in your clinical use. Thank you.